Azalea is a beautiful flower found in red, pink, white and bicolor. I have with me two color variants. We'll show you, just stay tuned until end. It's a cold climate growing plant, perennial shrub, loves low temperature, high humidity, sometimes need warmth. It's a hill growing plant. The plant is with me last 4 years. Azalea is not a delicate plant but a sensitive plant, we can say. To grow this plant in a terrace garden is not an easy task. Some plants, however, adapt themselves in any climatic zone, but I can tell you some plants which will show character difference only because of the weather conditions. Azalea, Tibucina, Fuchsia are the top listed among them. Okay, let me tell you only and only about Azalea plant. The plant needs rich, fertile, porous soil. When first I bought this plant to my garden, I was afraid, will the plant survive or not? But as time elapsed, I understood the plant and found it to be a heavy feeder plant. The nursery people told me to grow the plant only on leaf compost. It's okay for 8 months, but not after that. Gradually, you repot the plant to the soil consisting 1 part garden soil, 1 part very coarse river sand, 1 part leaf compost, 1 part cow dung compost, 1 part charcoal crush, 1 part vermicompost. Mix all of them very well. Add 1 handful neem extract, 1 spoon fungicide powder, and positively make a 2-inch layer gravel underneath pot. Azalea bloom during winter to spring. Here in our city, our alternate house are showing their azalea flowers now. During winter, water the plant on alternate days. Now on March, water the plant regularly once. A mild shower is okay. But during May-June, keep the plant amongst other plant and try to keep the plant under moist and cool condition with once watering. Don't let soil dry. Keep soil moist but not wet. During winter, keep the plant under sunlight, but spring and summer keep under total shade but under bright light and airy space and humidity. You won't believe, but it's true. It's raining in our city. Yesterday we had hailstones and rainfall. However, the weather and climate is a boon for me. This is the other bicolored azalea of my garden. On October, there was flowering. You can watch that video also. Just click the I button. This is a pretty one, isn't it? You can share your views, friends. Either you like or dislike. All I need is your feedback. Double-petaled azalea are costly in our region. You may get single-petaled azalea also. The flowers last for a month or so. The flowers are amazing. This place is Sumbuk in South Sikkim, 64 km away from my city, 7,000 feet above sea level, and has lots of azalea bloom. Again back to my garden, friends. When plants grow old, they produce lots of flowers and they form small tree-like structure. Friends, if you want to add some exotic plant in your garden, then azalea is one of them. बहुत ही अच्छे लगते हैं ये फूल. सबसे मजे की बात है कि ये अगर एक बार खिल जाए तो महीनों चल जाते हैं. बस ये थोड़ी वाटर सेंसिटिव है और ठंडक पसंद है. पर मैं बताऊंगी कि मेरे यहाँ भी कुछ दिन के लिए तापमान 35 डिग्री छू जाती है, पर मैं संभाल लेती हूँ. तो आप भी संभाल लेंगे, है ना? तो चलिए थोड़ी फर्टिलाइजर के बारे में जान लेते हैं. This is a 20-liter bucket. We'll add 2 spoons each of the component. Here there are potash, NPK, SSP, DAP and magnesium salt. Let the salts dissolve in water for some time, maybe 30 minutes, and stir well. इन्हें अच्छी तरह घोल लीजिए, फिर स्प्रे कीजिए सॉइल में और पूरी प्लांट में. कुछ 10 दिन बाद आप सरसों खली भी दे सकते हैं. Always remember that it's the thumb rule. You have to add liquid mustard cake fertilizer in very diluted form to the dry soil of your pot, or there may be fungus attack and your plant may die. This is the perfect time to add mustard cake fertilizer to your plants. You know why? Spring is the best time to add mustard cake fertilizer. Try to avoid during monsoon. We can add this liquid fertilizer twice or thrice a month. You can also add the mixture in dry form, just 1 spoon. Mix all components in the ratio 1:1:1:1. Azalea, hibiscus, bougainvillea, gardenia are heavy feeder plants. Even adenium too. You know friends, I like perennial plants. Perennial are permanent plants. कुछ भी हो, flowering or non-flowering. This is gardenia plant, fragrant emitting flower. It's a small plant. Many buds have grown. बहुत सारे कलियां खिले हैं, पर मुझे डर है कि ये खिलने से पहले गिर न जाए। अभी तक कोई पेस्ट अटैक नहीं है। मैं सभी प्लांट्स को पेस्ट से बचा के रखने की कोशिश करती हूँ, और ये जो फर्टिलाइज़र बनाई हूँ ये सभी प्लांट्स में आज डालूंगी। This is camellia flower. The plant is with me 3 years. It's the first time flowering. Flowers bloom only on matured camellia plant. This plant is also a high maintenance and heavy feeder plant, perennial and permanent by nature. Friends, if you want to keep your plants healthy and free from any kind of infestation, you have to follow a fixed routine of insecticide spray. Either you can spray neem oil, soap water, or you can spray any insecticide found in the market. 1 ml in 1 liter water, not more than that. अगर आप ये समझते हैं कि 2 ml डालने से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तो आप गलत है। एक दिन छोड़ के दूसरे दिन फिर से दीजिए, रिपीट कीजिए 3 दिन। वैसे तो पेस्ट अटैक एजेलिया में ज्यादा नहीं होता है, ऐसा तो सिर्फ हिबिस्कस के लिए करना पड़ता है। All I can say, azalea is a pretty flower similar to rose. If your weather suits the plant, you can add this to your garden. So friends, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that you are notified whenever there is an upload. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.